In today's video, I'll show you how I created this peaceful, serene and very lively landscape in a small garden area. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening.
So this is the corner in my porch where I'm planning to give makeover, and as you can see there are many potted plants kept here. So I'm gonna remove all of them, and this is how it's looking after removing all the pots from here. So first of all, I'm going to remove all these railing planters from this place which has asparagus fern in it. So I'll keep them on the other side, all 4 of them. So this way the fence will get covered with green dense foliage, and this will look nice. Also on the other side I will put more plants, mostly the same bird of paradise plant. And for that I will remove this layer of gravels from here. Then I'll dig accordingly where I have to put plants. And now it's time to add more plants by the fence so that the background looks more dense and it looks like jungle. So here I'm adding more of bird of paradise plants which were growing in pots. Now here I'm making this pit for creating water body. So the idea is to keep an earthen pot inside and cover the surrounding using stones and plants. So there goes fern and spider plants, a perfect combination of foliage plants for any fountain or water body landscape. Now it's time to add a big stone near the fern plant, and then I will add few more plants like spider plants and syngonium. And then I added few more rocks around the earthen pot, and I loved the look. So this is how this entire place started looking after arranging plants and rocks. And then I added a potted Rio plant and kept a potted pennywort plant on the other side. And now coming to another beautiful part of this DIY landscape, I created a river look using earthen pot, few big and medium sized stones and rocks, and to make it look more beautiful I added few spider plants on both the sides. And now it's time to give it a final touch, so I added a layer of gravels all over the empty space to make it look neat and beautiful. So this is how it's looking after putting a layer of gravels all over. It has started looking really neat and nice, but few more things are still pending for its final look. So coming to this river part, I added a layer of gravels here as well before putting blue color small sized gravels to avoid its direct contact with soil so that it doesn't get dirty. And then I topped it with a black plastic sheet, and then I finally put blue color stone chips which started giving so neat look, and it was looking so lively. Now coming back to the pond area to give it a final touch, I filled it with water and kept a stone near fern, kept a Buddha idol to give it calm and serene look, and added few water lettuce plants. And then few more stones into water, and finally I kept duck decor pieces around it, and the gorgeous space is ready.
So I hope you liked today's video. See you